Happy Christmas Eve. I've been on the couch since about 6 o'clock this morning. I really don't want to go outside. I'll show you why in just a minute. But I did work on my niece Madison's gnomes hat. And I just got to do the I-cord on that. And I've changed my mind on what color I was going to use for the body. Let me see if I can find that. So I was going to use this variegated one. It's gray and pink, but it's got a lot of red and orange in it too. And I didn't think it would go very well with the hat. I tried it out yesterday, did the arms to see how it would look. And I'm not happy with it. So instead, I'm just going to use a plain gray. Got the cats, 3 of them here with me. Not sure where Fred is. He tends to be kind of antisocial. He only hangs out with me at bedtime. But got 3 of them snuggled up with me. Got Jack at my feet. Abby's passed out on the living room floor. And let me show you what it's doing outside. So the entire time I've been laying here on the couch, I've been looking out at this. Oh, and it just looks so nasty, and I know it's so cold. But I need to get out and check on the alpacas, give them their morning grain. Got another full day of this. Yikes. All right, I'll see you at chore time. So this is definitely one of the most difficult trips out to the barn I've had. I fell several times on the way out. Just trying to get to the dress. They held up to the fence, trying to get to the barn, and then I flew right here and it's completely flat. Look at those cars. I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath. Not trying to be dramatic. So I'm in with Andy's and Sven. Looks like everybody still has plenty of hay, so I don't have to bring that out this morning. Oh, it is brutal. Oh my God. But seeing them, it does remind me of why I do it. Oh, I love these guys so much. You're worth coming out in the cold for. Oh, Sven, you're so cute. All right, let's go see the big boys. Have a lot of shoveling to do once the fall comes down. Calm down. And here's everybody. Extra hay last night. Water. Oh, the wind's blowing so hard it's even frozen a little bit at the top of their water bucket. It's not frozen completely. Alright, let's go see the girls. There's the queen, Miss Vanilla Cappuccino, waiting for her breakfast. So it doesn't feel quite so bad today. Maybe that's because I get my face protected today a little better. I left my glasses inside because I knew that they would be just fogging up anyway and I wouldn't be able to see, so I just left them inside. I added this baklava, I think it's called, oh, whatever they're called, that covers up most of my face. I did leave my nose open though. Figured I could pull it up more if I need to, and then just my eyes would be showing. All bundled up, I actually don't feel too bad. A little clumsy, which is why I fell so many times ago trying to get through those snowdrifts. That, and I was carrying the chicken's feed and the alpaca feed. Anyway, gonna spend a little time out here with the ladies and then head back in. And I'm going back to the couch. I am not gonna try and do anything other than knit today. Hi, babe. Hey, my girl. Oh, are you gonna run away from me? Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh. You guys. Hey, Hershey. They're only interested in food. All right, I'll see you guys later. They closed the freeway last night around 7. I looked online today and it looks like in the freeway you can normally see the lights right over there. You can't, I mean, it is total whiteout today. I did see that east of Albert Lee, I-90 is open again, but so far they haven't opened it up here. I'm not sure, and it says the roads are clear there, which I find hard to believe because when I looked at the weather there, it looked like they're having the same weather we're having, but what do I know? Glad I am home. Well, it's evening chore time and things haven't gotten any better. They reopened the interstate, and then about 1 o'clock, I got an emergency alert on my phone that they were closing all the roads in Barabalt County. Which, why anyone would go out on this voluntarily, I have no idea. But this is all the chores, evening chores I'm afraid you're gonna get to see. It's just all a bit too much at the moment. But I'm gonna spend a few minutes with my girls. Try to relax a little. Well, it's been quite a day with the weather and water issues still, but at least the toilets are functioning again. I just still don't, the one faucet upstairs still isn't working, at least the cold water. The warm water's working fine. So I talked to my dad again. He just said, you know, keep it dripping, that'll help. And then when I went down to the basement earlier, I saw that there was snow in my laundry room. It looked like it was coming in the corner right by my front, or the breezeway door. So I moved the hay bales over there, so hopefully to block that wind. It's just one thing after another. But it's nice and warm in here. The furnace was acting up a little bit, but I got that sorted out, and now it's up to 70 degrees again. So I ripped out the hat that I had made earlier today. I just couldn't get that I-cord sewn down. It just wasn't working. So I tore that out and made a hat like this instead. And I've actually got the body started already. Got a good start on that gnome. And then last night I got to work on my cross stitch a little bit, and I'm gonna work on it for a little bit here yet tonight. Got the barn all done. I think I'm going to work on snowflakes tonight. But anyway, I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this because I dropped my phone when I was outside today, and it says there's water in the charging port. So I gotta let that dry out before I can plug it back in. So once that I can plug it back in and charge it, then I'll upload this video, but it might not get uploaded until tomorrow. But anyway, hope you all had a great day. Everyone's staying safe, staying warm, staying home. I can't believe the number of people that I've seen, or the reports that I've seen of people getting stranded and stuck and all kinds of issues. But anyway, stay safe, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.